Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a cold morning.
Good morning, guys.
It's 37 degrees here on the mountain right now, guys. Whew, I don't know if I'm ready for this whole cold weather yet. I did pick me up a new insulated flannel though. It's helping out a little bit. It's not too cold this morning, but it's supposed to get into the 20s this week. So it's go time here on the mountain. First thing I'm gonna do, unload this golf cart right here off the trailer, put it back there. That's my donor golf cart right there to get my other golf cart running. But I need the trailer this morning. I'm taking the four-wheeler up to the shop today to get fixed. Exciting, exciting. I'm definitely ready for that. It's been down for about a year and it's just sitting there going to trash.
Yeah.
And I'm tired of walking all around Come On Mountain without a ride. So when I went and got my tires balanced the other day, old boy up there said he works on four-wheelers, so we're gonna give him a shot. And I told him I want it turnkey when I get it back. I just want to crank it up and get it. But we got to get this unloaded. Also, we need this trailer unloaded anyways. Mike needs to run and go get some block from White Rock Homestead over there close to Missouri.
Yeah.
So he's gonna need this trailer to load all of that up probably sometime this week. So we need to go ahead and get this off and get my four-wheeler up to the shop. That way once the trailer's done, we ain't got to worry about unloading it immediately and all that other stuff. So that's what we're going to work on today. And then whenever I get back, I got to start insulating the pump house because 25 degrees and a well does not work too well. There was a pun in there somewhere. So Mike just brought Uber. Mike's been using Uber for the last 4 days, hauling some of that shale up there, and right on time too, because we've had rain for like the last 3 or 4 days, like non-stop. It is wet out here, guys. And so he got some down there at the end of the driveway where it was really bad, and it's making a difference. And but he's going to get insulation to insulate the bottom of his RV today. Yep. So Uber's free, so I'm finna use Uber, and then that way Mike can use it again. I was just sitting here, guys, waiting on Mike to get up here with Uber in the front of my truck. I was sitting there talking to old Timifer, you know, old Timifer, no work life. And a doe just ran like 30 foot in front of the truck, like across, running towards the landing there. There. Good morning. Meow, nothing. It's cold, ain't it? All right, I'm gonna hand the camera off to Mike. We're gonna get this thing unstrapped down and get Uber there. I'm just gonna pull it off the trailer and drag it. Like I said, this is the donor one, so it is what it is.
Yeah. Good thing it says easy go. Hopefully this is an easy go. Are you ready, Ryder? Are you ready to make sure this goes smooth? Yeah, I'm ready. We might need to back this truck up a little bit. I'm not sure. You want me to back the truck up? Are you good? Watch out for my toes. He's cutting it close, guys. Woo! Let's see. A little bit more, I think. Sorry, guys. Oh, there we go. There we go.
I know one thing I'm gonna have to do. I have to go get me some gloves.
Man, I was looking for mine right before I came up here. I got 3 pair of them and couldn't find a set. Oh, I gotcha. Okay.
Hopefully this strap right here don't break.
Whoop, sorry for the glare, guys. Bring that bucket on down. Right there.
Now, this is not OSHA regulated.
Little bit of working on this, keeping it real.
Yeah, I'm sure this strap is not rated for what I'm about to do. So watch your eyes.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and make sure you guys are back at a clear, safe distance. Let's go ahead and jump off of here. Ugh. All right, Ryder, watch out, buddy. Supervisor, check. All right, let's do it. Come on, strap. Come on, strap. Send it. Yeah. There we go. Once again, Uber saves the day. We didn't have to pick it up one time. Look at him in the trees.
I turned into a tree hugger.
Well, it was an easy go after all. See how easy it is to untie this.
You expecting riding?
What do you think, Ryder? How'd it go?
It went just as planned.
Nice! Nice! Hey, you better get off of that. Get down. Come on. Come on.
It is muddy out here today. Well, that went well.
You know what? The color is popping so hard out here.
The new camera, man, the new phone is just amazing. It has definitely made a big difference with these Come On Keeping It Real. Well, it looks like I got a flat tire. And it looks like somebody stole my other tires. Oh, I did. I got to take the motor out the back one. All right, guys. Woo. We're at 9 minutes. I'm gonna jump the truck. We're gonna head over there to where the four-wheeler is. Mike's gonna follow in Uber, and we'll get the four-wheeler loaded up, and keep this thing moving.
Hey, you know what? You can actually do.
Oh yeah, I could do a pause on this one. Oh, we fancy. Ooh. Ooh, it's a lot warmer in the truck, guys. It's a lot warmer. All right. Ooh, little view. I took my phone holder down and all the glue's on the windshield. It's been there so long that the glue was melting. And as you can see, the goats are in the pen, guys. I got them situated and got the fence working. I ended up getting a trickle charger and a battery maintainer all in one. And I took the whole box in with the Blue Eddy there while it was raining and charged up the whole thing. And it started clicking green like it's supposed to. And made all the difference. So that's going to be the issue. I'm going to have to use the battery maintainer to maintain it while it's in the woods and it's not getting direct sunlight. And that should keep them in there and keep them away, because I had something crawling on my head, or sticks or something. Why didn't y'all tell me something was on my hat? Bobblehead, Simple Life Reclaim, and them all came over there and planted some daffodils and stuff over there at the Dreamer's Landing, and they was going to come up to Come On Mountain and plant some while I was gone, but I had the goats running around, so we decided not to do that because the goats would have just ended up eating them. So I wanted to get the goats situated first before I did all of that. All right, I think that I'm far enough ahead. We are getting her done today, guys. The sun's starting to come out now. You can see it getting a little bit brighter. It's definitely starting to warm up a little bit. It's actually going to be a beautiful working day to do the installation in the pump house. Ooh, I missed old Uber. Boy, look at Uber coming across the mountain, looking all sexy. All right, time for the beast. You can just leave it there for now. He had it in gear. He almost jumped at me. I believe I got some boards somewhere around here. Yeah, there's one. And I think there's another one that's some ramps.
I think the ramps are over here.
Ramps are over there.
Right here.
We'll get those loaded up.
We put the boards on, the wood on it.
Well, you know, we have an Uber.
Yeah.
Here you go.
All right. Hey, we're going to get some real work out of Uncle David this morning, guys. We're go ahead and use Uber, and we can lift up these logs and get these boards, y'all. Here's the ramps. But he put all these boards on top so we can't get it. Oh, whoops. Yeah. I left my camera on it. Camera down. Camera down. Oh, let me adjust. Let me adjust, guys. That might be enough. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. I tried to grab it one-handed, I couldn't.
It's okay. I got you.
Woo! I would have grabbed the other one, but I wouldn't have been able to hang on to this piece of high quality technology.
Well, you don't want to drop the people.
That's right.
this wet wood is cold on the digits.
Yeah. That's another reason I didn't want to grab it. Ryder, does the trailer look good enough?
Ryder, I wish you put your hands on it.
Yeah. Ryder's like, I wish I had some thumbs.
I just missing the thumbs, Dad.
I think I'm gonna sit you guys down right here, and y'all can watch me help Uncle David push this up.
Struggle.
Yeah. I think this might be a good spot. I see a good spot right here. This might be a good spot. It might be a good spot anyway. I'll be able. You'll see us push it, and then I might have to adjust you. Turn your chair a little bit so you can see us get it on there. I might be able to adjust it right here, guys. That sun is gonna kill you for a second. All right, 1 second.
Please stay tuned.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Snuggly? You were all over the place today.
Oh crap.
Why are you guys laying down on the job? Woo.
Woo! Well, you got that up there, huh?
Yeah. She's a heavy girl.
There you go.
You gotta put your back into it.
You can do it. Put your back into it.
Woo!
What do you think? Drop it in gear?
I just did.
Oh, nice.
I just did. I'm gonna load the ramps up.
Scared Ryder. Excuse me.
Woo!
Excuse me, guys.
We got a working one in today, guys. All right, I'm gonna get this thing strapped down, get it up to the shot. I hope everybody is having a great start to your week, guys. Happy Monday. Make sure that you take a small step. You know what? It's Monday. Go after it. Take a big step to your goal. I can't even talk this morning. Take a huge step towards your goal, guys. And I hope everybody has a great week, a great start to your week. Don't let a Monday be a bummer, guys. Do like I do every Monday. Wake up, look in the mirror, and say, today is a day, another day closer to our goals. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Love every single one of y'all. Do something nice for somebody, and always, guys, and I do mean always, keep it real. Come on.